Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet Stroker 450 horsepower engine for our customer's 1954 Ford F100 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block. We have the comp cams, roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, engine block painted the black with the brass freeze plugs. It's the one-piece rear main seal block. We have the correct oil pan on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA in the orange with all the wire markers on there. It's nice 383 black stroker valve covers. Roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. The matching air cleaner with the washable filter. You have the thermostat housing on there. Thermostat's installed. Aluminum air gap intake manifold. Holley 750 CFM carburetor. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Heavy duty Russell PCV hose on there and PCV valve. GM Performance HEI distributor set in place, ready to go. We have the standard flywheel on there, customer requested. This is the proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Stroker engine. ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bushings installed, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. You install the manifold vacuum fittings on the intake manifold for any vacuum accessories if needed. Black braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke wire on there. Customers running, we're going to be supplying with the Holley inline electric fuel pump and the relay. So we'll supply that. We have the heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter all set up for customer. It's real nice polished Wraptor serpentine pulley kit on here. Has a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, AC compressor, high flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set your idle. We set the ignition timing with the timing light. Everything will be completely dialed in, 100% perfect. We check for leaks. So you know when you put the engine in, you'll have total confidence. It is absolutely perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. You can text us at that number or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-owned and operated business here. So there you go, our 383 Chevy Stroker 450 horsepower engine for the 1954 F100 truck, ready to go. Thanks for watching.